Hello, great learners. Here is another question that says, given that a base 10 equals 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2, find a. You are given that if this is equal to this, what will be the value of a? Which means this time around we are having a number in base 2 and we are now targeting to convert it to base 10. If you recall back that to convert from base 10 to any number, we apply the long division method while writing down the remainders, right? So to convert any number to base 10, any number of your desired base to base 10, it is as easy as to use that base, right? We use that base and multiply it to individual numbers in that system. Yes, if you multiply it throughout, you now add what? You now add all the place values together, right? So if you now consider if you consider a particular number in base 10, like let's say 180, for instance, right? You will know that, you say that, okay, this is a unit place value, this is 100, sorry, this is tens, and this is 100, right? Okay. Similarly, in other bases, right? In other bases, it means that your tens is always 10 times more than your units, while your hundreds is 10 times more than your tens. Yeah. Similarly, in other bases, it means that if this is a unit number in your binary system, right? Assuming so, and this one is what, and this one is a 10. It means that this particular value, let me write it out. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 in base 2. It means that this will be two times worth of this value, right? While this one too will be 2 times worth of this, while this one too will be 2 times worth of this, and this one will be 2 times worth of this, and this one will be 2 times worth of this. Are you getting it? So it means that this initial value will have 2 as its multiple, right? Will have 2 as its multiple in a unit form. And if you want to write that, that means that your 2 that is in unit form must be raised to power of 0 to give you 1. Okay. Now, it now implies that our 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 to base 10 will be written as 1 multiplied by 2 plus this one, 1 multiplied by 2 plus this one, 0 multiplied by 2 plus another 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. This is the last unit, isn't it? So to make this one unit, that will be what? That will be 2 raised to the power of 0. This one will what? Accordingly, this one will be power of 1. This one will be power of 2. This one will be power of 3. This one will be power of 4. While this one will be power of 5. Okay. It now implies that, all right, this will be what? 1 multiplied by 2 power of 5 will be 32 plus 1 by, that's 2 to the power of 4, which is 16, plus 0 by power of 3, which is 8, plus 1 to the power of 4, which is 4. Sorry, 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, plus this 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0 give us unit 1. Yes. Now, what's the next step? Let's start multiplying. 1 times 32 will give us 32 plus 1 times 16 will give us what? 16 plus 0 times 8 will give us what? 0 plus 1 times 4 will give us 4 plus 0 times 2 will give us 0. And lastly, plus 1 times 1 will give us 1. Alright, so all these values, what is it equal to? Let's add. So your 32 plus 16 will give you what? Okay, do the math. 32, 16. That will be what? That will be 8 here, 4 here. That is 48, right? 48 plus 0 remains 48. 48 plus 4, add 4 to it. So that will give you what? That will give you 52, right? 52 plus 1 will give you 53. All right. So it means that our A to base in base of 10 will be equal to as 53 base 10. All right, which means our A is equals to what? Is equals to 53. Exactly. So do you really like this? If you like this, please like and share this great learning content, so for other people to also learn from it. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us as well. Thank you very much.